This conference will now be recorded.
So last class, we started to discuss how in a business transaction, you can have set of people that could be from your organization end, that could be from your customer end. Now today, we will perform the same thing here in our right Salesforce environment. So let me log in, Rupam, right? RUPM Rupam @of101.com, password CRM1234 hash, right? CRM1234 hash, right? So there we go. Let's see this, right? Now, as I told you, the first thing that we are going to see is roles. Whenever I say role, role means from the customer side, from your contact side, right? So in the setup, I will type roles, role or roles, whatever it is. First one, I will take contact role on contract. Let me start with this. You can put a heading, contract role on contract, right? Role. We are doing it from the customer side, right? Or shall we start with customer side or shall we start from the, okay, let's do one thing. Let's leave it, cut that. Let's start from the user side, okay, because that's a little complicated. So we'll see first and then we'll come to the customer side. Team. Team is from customer side. I go to the account team. First, I'm writing account team. So those who are taking notes, take heading called as account team. No roles. We'll start with team first. So what is a team? Set of users. Set of users. Write down. Account team. Set of users. Set of users assigned to a account is called account team. Set of users assigned to an account is called account team. Account team. Whenever you create an account, let's say that you create an account called Bolliard, you create an account called as, right, you create an account called ICICI Bank, right? One people cannot manage that. You need a set of people to manage because ICICI Bank is not a small business. It's big business. They have multiple requirements. They have multiple, opportunities going on, right? So hence, you need a team of people working together to get all the business from ICICI Bank from an account. Such team who are part of your account, we call them as account team, right? So step one, enable account team. Step one, enable account team. There are 3 steps. Step one, enable account team. How to do that? You will just type a team keyword, or if you want to go by path, it's a sales feature, right? It's a feature setting. Under that, sales, under sales account team, under sales account team, right? So first step, go ahead and enable account team. I click on enable account team. I check this box called account team enabled. I click on save, right? Don't be in a hurry. Check this 4 layouts. I click on save. One account team got created. Step 1 is done. Step 1 is done. Step 2, create roles, team roles. Already you can see that these roles are there. Account manager, channel manager, predefined roles. You don't like it? Delete, 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 delete. You want to rename it? Rename, rename, rename. No, I want to create a new one. New. What is that? LE, company, legal, ADVISOR, company legal advisor. company, right? Legal counselors. Company legal counselor, right? Then technical expert, technical expert, right? So I'm creating how many roles? 3 roles I'm creating. I click on save. All the 3 gets added here. You can see that company legal advisor, company legal counselor, technical expert. Step 2 is done. Step 2 is done. Now we'll go and we'll put step 3. Now we will go and we'll put, what is the step 3? Step 3 is that, right? First go and check whether this is available in the end user screen or not. Step 3 is optional. If it's there, don't worry. So I click on setup. Step 3 is optional step, right? Optional. I go to sales. I click on account. I'm in end user screen. I open any account, Bolliard. I open any account, Bolliard. Scroll down and do you see something called as account team? Yes, available. Not required. If not, suppose this would have not there, then what you would have did? You would have gone to your setup. If suppose this account team was not visible, in case, no Rupam, I don't see in mine, then the third step would have been objects and field, object manager, look for account object, look for page layout, click on account page layout, scroll down, look for related list, right? Here you can see that account team. This account team would have been here, like this. Account team enabled. You see that this bold one I'm talking about, this one. You need to drag and drop here, wherever you want. That would have been the step. Drag and drop account team from here. Now the account team is disabled because it's already there in the design. Account team is disabled because account team is already there. This item is currently in use. Otherwise, you would have dragged and dropped. You would have clicked on save. You would have clicked on save. You would have clicked on yes. Optional step. Optional step. You would have repeated this for all the 4, all the remaining 3 now. That's exactly what we did in this 4 checkboxes. If you remember, we just checked 4 checkboxes and we click saved. Suppose you would have forgot to check those 4 checkboxes. In that case, you would have come and you would have manually placed the account team in the page. Step 3, optional. Step 3, optional. Right? Next. Right? Next, one more step. 3 steps. 3 was optional because it's already, if you would have not done this, you would have gone in that way. Right? That is an optional. By default, that's available. Right? You check it. Now, third step. Whenever I click on account team, right, I can add people. You can see that. Account team. Whom you want to add? I want to add search people. I want to add Virat Kohli. What is the team role? I want to add Virat Kohli as legal advisor. He has a read-write access. The corresponding case also read-write. Everything read-write. See, how many people are there in this account? This account is owned by Rupam. He's the owner. Rupam is the owner. Along with Rupam, right, Virat Kohli is also a part of this account. But he's a legal advisor. Virat Kohli can be system admin, can be VP North America, VP sales, sales manager, director India. He can have any roles. That is a organization role. This is a team role. We created role, right? We created organization hierarchy. We give a Virat Kohli. When you open the Virat Kohli, right? What is the Virat Kohli's? Virat Kohli is a, right here, he is a legal advisor. Team role. In this account team member, Virat Kohli is account team member. He is been assigned to Bollywood. Can I assign one person, more than one person to, can I assign more than one person here? Yes. You can go ahead and you can say, scrolling down, add team members, you can add one by one. You can remove. You can say Virat Kohli and you can say remove, delete. You can remove, you can add, right? Can Virat Kohli be part of another account? Yes. He can be a part of Tollywood, HDFC Bank, anywhere. Now, what is the default team? As soon as I click on default team, system will give an error. Can't add default team. Ask record owner to set up. Who has to set up the record team? Default team? Record owner. Now let's assume that every account that I create or that get assigned to me, I need 4 people. I need 2 people, Virat and someone else. Is it that for every account I will add it manually? No. That's the third step. Rupam will raise a trouble ticket to an admin. It will come to you. Rupam will write a trouble ticket saying that please create a default team and automatically write a rule that every time I create an account, it should be, those people should be automatically added. People name is Virat Kohli and one more Sachin or Rahul, whoever it is. Please add them by default. Where will you write the rule? Let's come back to that. Suppose you would have received that. You will go to the object panel, you will go to the setup. Third step, create account, default account team. Third step, create default account team. The optional one is not required because that anyhow you will check it, so you need not to do that. But in case if you forget to check, then I gave you the process how to do it. I gave you the process how to do it. Right? Perfectly fine. So what is the third step? Create a default account team. How to create? Click on user. Click on user. Who requested it? Rupam requested it. Open Rupam. Scroll down. Scroll down. There is something called as default account team. Default account team. Default account team. I click on add. What is that? Rahul Dravid and Virat Kohli. Rahul Dravid as what? As a technical expert. Virat Kohli as what? As a legal advisor. Opportunity, right? Let it be private. Only account only, I'm giving read only. Remaining all, they can't see. Who is the owner? Who can? Whenever I say private, only owner can see. That means opportunity Rahul cannot see, Virat cannot see, right? Now, automatically add my default account team that I create account or that are transferred to me. Under the data management, you can transfer an account from one person to another person. Whenever you transfer an account from an existing employee to Rupam, immediately these 2 people will get added. What about, right? Right? What about, question is that, what about the account which is already there? Update account team with these members, right? Check this. Existing also it will update. No, I don't want the existing. I will just save. Over. Your work is over. Okay. Read write, read write, read write, read write. You must have a restrictive permission. You have to create OWD. We'll talk about OWD later. So click on save. I give read write. What is account team? Here is the default account team. 2 people. Now I will send Rupam reply. Your ticket is closed. Please check and confirm. Let's come to the end user screen. End user screen. Let's assume that I'm creating an account. New. Automatically 2 people should get added. Account name. What is account name? Right? HDFC Bank. Bank. right? You can see that system is giving me suggestion. HDFC life insurance company, right? Harish, who's that? He- He's from planning and strategy team. Okay, hi Harish, right? Harish. Okay, there we go. HDFC Insurance, right? Phone number 1111, fax number 1112222, right? All these things. I will go ahead and I'll click on save. As soon as I create an account, scroll down and check. Two people should be added, Rahul and Virat. Rahul as technical expert, Virat as legal advisor. I need not to add manually. But whichever got default added, can I remove it? Yes. Can I add more? Yes. Add, you can say add team members. You can add two got default automatically added. You can add another three more, five more, your wish. So total, how many people are working for this particular HDFC life insurance company? We are selling him courses, a lot of courses. We are selling them insurance course, project management course, right? Multiple courses left and right we are selling. Our is an institute, or our, let's say that our is a hospital, right? We are going ahead and selling them lot of packages, health packages, insurance packages, right? We want to do a tie-up with this, to perform an insurance, right? So many things going on, right? One person cannot handle. That's where, how many people are there now? Three people are there who are handling this. That's the reason we have three people. That's the reason we have three people, right? Default account team. Everyone got it? Right? What about the team? What about the account that were already existed? For example, let's open Government of India, which I created. I scroll down. Team is 0 because you didn't check that box, the second box. You didn't check the second box. I will say add default team. Immediately, owner default team added. Earlier, this was showing yellow. Now you see that default team got added. Default team got added. This is called team selling, teamwork. More than one people is part of this particular account with a different role. I am the owner, I am the main person. With that, I might need a help of, a technical expert, Rahul, legal advisor, Virat. Everybody's able to understand? Yes. Yes. First
Yes.
one, account team.
Yes.
Right? First one,
Just,
account team.
okay.
Go ahead.
Just one
Come in.
question, Mr. Yeah, I'm kind of I mean, the roles and subordinates which we,
That is different. That is different. That role and subordinate is, right, Rahul's position in the company. Rahul might be the chairman, Rahul might be the director, Rahul might be the area sales manager, Hyderabad. But in that particular account, he is acting as legal advisor.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
on papers, on HR, on record. On paper, on HR, on record. Right? But when this person is meeting the customer, he's not introducing himself as area manager or director south. He's introducing himself as a legal advisor.
Okay. But
Right?
this role is giving the access, right? Access to user,
Yes.
what records he can access, right?
We are giving user access, not role access. We are giving access to the user, not to that role called as legal advisor. For example, right? For example, let's say that. Let's take let's take nowadays, Shishant murder case is hot in the topic 24/7 on the news. CBI investigating officer, right? What is his role? There's a lady, I don't know her name. She's heading the proof. She will be in the legal battle when this will go to the court. The court judge will ask, who is the investigation officer? That lady will say, hey, this is Swati Srivastav. I am the investigation officer. In that case, in the Shishant murder case, role of Swati Srivastav is investigation officer. But actually, what is her real role? She is superintendent of police. She is SP.
Okay, okay. I get. Yeah.
So her role, her on the papers, on the rank, she is a superintendent of police. But when it comes to that case, even though she is superintendent of police, but there she will not say that I'm the superintendent. No, they will say I'm the investigation officer. Hi, I'm SP, right? Swati Srivastav. So same thing. Hey, I'm the legal advisor, right? So that's the way it goes. Getting it? Giving you a real
Means
life
it's
examples. Tell me.
yeah, means it's playing one task without progressions.
Right. So this role, see, it's not that it's not that every time Virat Kohli will be legal advisor. No. Tomorrow in the next one, you can make Rahul as a legal advisor and Virat as a right. What do you call it? Virat as a technical. These are account specific, right? These are account specific. For example, I open an account, right? I open an account called as ICICI Bank. Here, what I will say, I will make Rahul as active member, right? Who is the user? I will say Rahul Dravid. I don't know what I will make Rahul as what now? I will say legal counselor. Somewhere Rahul is somewhere in another account, Rahul is acting as a right technical expert, but for ICICI Bank, Rahul is a legal counselor. For some account, Rahul will be legal advisor. For some account, Rahul will be. So this is just a label. This has no relevance. There's no relevancy in this. Your relevant role is the original role that you create here under the role, right? Depending on the case to case, it might change. In the next case, she might not be the investigation officer. She might be the assistant investigation officer. Some other case, CBI allocates to Swati Srivastav, superintendent of police Swati Srivastav. They give her as a forensic expert. For that particular case, another murder case happens. In that case, she's not a somebody else is a investigating officer. She is a forensic expert, right? So same person, but in different cases, different roles they're playing. This role doesn't conflict with the original role. That's the reason we say this is a team role. We use the word called as team role. In the team, what is the role? Her original role, right? Rahul Dravid holds original role called be a supervisor, right, or a CEO of a company, right? So, right, nobody knows what is the rank, right? Do you know the lady who is investigating the Sushant's murder case? What is her rank? Nobody knows. Everybody knows her name, right? I forgot her name, so you can type and find it. But nobody knows her real position, whether she's a DIG, whether she's a SP, whether she's a DSP. Nobody knows. All the officers are in civil uniform. You, by looking at them, you don't even know whether they are 2-star circle, sub inspector, 3-star circle inspector. They're not wearing a uniform, so you don't know their original role. They will not introduce that as I'm the circle inspector. They will introduce as themselves as I'm the legal advisor. I'm the investigating officer. That's it. With me? Yes, everyone.
Yes.
Right? Perfectly clear? Right. So you can see that one person in different account has a different team role. One person in a different accounts have a different team role. Done. First one we have done called as team role. Right? TEAM, team. I've typed team. Second one, write down. Right? Second one. Right? Team. Opportunity team. Second one, opportunity team. Second one, opportunity team. Right? Right? Opportunity team. Same step. Step one, enable team selling. Opportunity selling, right? It's a selling process. It's a sales. Team selling, not one person selling. Team of 2 or 3 going and meeting a HDFC bank and selling the product. Enable team selling. Step 1, same. Don't be in a hurry. 1, 2, 3, 4. If not, right? If not, then what do you have to do? You have to go ahead and you have to enable, you have to go ahead and you have to object manager, opportunity, page layout, scroll down, related list, drag and drop. If you want to avoid, check this 4, click save. Step 1 is done. Step 1 is done. Team selling, TEAM, team, right? Team selling. Here, right, in the opportunity, the same role that you created for the account team is visible here. You can see team role, same roles are visible. See, legal expert. Replace, you can go ahead and you can rename it, delete it. So account team role and opportunity team role are same. You can replace it. Find, right, existing value, change from, you want to rename it, then you can do it from here, renaming, right? You can start renaming. So replace team role. So second step, creation of team role is not there because opportunity takes the same team role. Opportunity takes the same team role. Opportunity takes the same team role as account. So I need not to do the second step. Create opportunity team role, not required. Why? Because it takes from the account. So if you want to write, you can write. Step 2, opportunity team role, right? Inherits from account. It comes from the account itself. Next, the last step. The last step. What is the last step? Go ahead and first check whether it's working or not. I once again go to the end user screen. I click on opportunity now. I open an opportunity. Bollywood Saif Ali Khan. Right? Bollywood Saif Ali. I scroll down. Partners are there, codes are there. Now you see opportunity. I click on it. So that no action available. Right? Refresh. Refresh. Right? I scroll down. Right? Opportunity team. Right? Scrolling down. Opportunity team. See, no action. Because first of all, no team created. Right? Moreover, let's take a team, right? For example, let's take an account which we just created. We created HDFC Bank Insurance. If you remember, I created an opportunity now. Let's see what happens. I will see HDFC, right? HDFC, right? Health, HEL, HEALT, Health, IN, Insurance, right? Sale. What is the close date? We are Apollo Hospital, let's assume, and we want to sell some insurance packages through HDFC Life Insurance Company. So there's a deal going on. I click on save. An opportunity got created. I open the opportunity. I scroll down. I see, right? Here you see that. Now it says add default team, add account team, add opportunity team member. Rupam, why it didn't show earlier? Go to the Bollywood Saif Ali. Rupam, why didn't it pop up earlier? I'm scrolling down. Click on it. So that here no action. Still it says no action. Because there is no account team. If there is no account team, system is not populating it. When I go to health insurance, there was account team available. And I get a couple of options there. Take the account team, take the default team. Default team is where? We have, as soon as I click on it, it will give an error. There is no default team for opportunity, that is the third step that you have to create. I can get the account. Okay, here is also I want the account team. Automatically, people will get added. 2 people. From where I got it? From account team. I've taken account team. Add from account team. Right? I say remove all members. I'm removing everyone, guys. Remove to show you this. Scroll down. So I add account team. No, I want to add manually. So whom you want to add? I want to add, right? What is the role? Role is, right, sales manager. User, Rahul. So that everywhere I am adding same people with a different roles. Somewhere Rahul is a legal advisor, somewhere Rahul is a technical expert, somewhere Rahul is a sales manager. Manually I have added sales manager, member role. But I cannot add this every time manually. I will raise a ticket to my admin. Can you please create a default opportunity team? Every opportunity that is created under my ownership should be added with 2 people, right? People name is, right, Rahul and, right, whoever it is, right? People name are these 2. Can you go ahead? Now, again, you have to do the same thing. What is the step? You have to open the user. Who requested it? Rupam requested it. Open Rupam's. Rupam. I open Rupam. Scroll down. Scroll down. Oh, too much. Can you see default opportunity team? The way we create a default account team? Add. Right? Automatically add. Update open opportunity. Whichever opportunities is open, update. Add whom? Right? Add Rahul Dravid. As what? Read right. As what? As as channel manager. Next, add whom? Virat Kohli. As what? Read right. As technical expert. I click on save. I will send an email to the user. Can you please check your ticket is closed now? If you have any problem, let me know. Now you see, as soon as I create a new opportunity name, TEST test, closed it today. Stages, right? I'm not linking it to any account. I click on save. Immediately you scroll down, you'll see that 2 people got added. 2 people got added. 2 people got added.
Mr. Rupam,
Yes.
so now that these 2 team members have read-write access to opportunity, so they can
Yep.
also change the stage and work on this opportunity.
Yes, right. That's the main purpose. Team working. We are working as a team. Everybody could make a change to this opportunity.
Okay, it's not only the owner's responsibility. Now we have a team. It's
obviously, in big sales, it's never. Take any big companies like Dell, HP, Lenovo, right? Dell is or HP is selling laptops to government offices. Do you feel that is a one person? There is a team of 12, 13 people. Whenever they want to sell a 100 laptops to government, or they go as a team, the 3, 4 people goes, they meet, right? One of them will prepare the legal document, another one of them will prepare the clause, right? One of them will do the presentation, other will talk about the financials, right? It's a teamwork. And finally the government will say, okay, please consult with our finance department. I'm a fool in finance. I will send my finance specialist. He will talk and he will settle those things. It's a teamwork. He should be able to give the pricing here. So in real time, it's all teamwork. That's the reason I'm showing you, right? Small things. Nobody shows this all. These all are skipped in the other classes. But in my classes, these are also shown, because in real time, team selling, team handling cases are required. In interview, they sometimes ask if they're in a sales project. If they have implemented a sales cloud, then obviously they will ask you this question. right? Did you work on team? How you enable account team? How to create a rule? How to disable the rule? How can I have a selective rules? Right. So there we go. Clear now, everyone? Team selling.
Yes.
Team selling. Next, the last one. Team is also available in case. Team is available in account. Team is available in opportunity. Team is available in case. Now I'm going to the case. Case team. I go to the case team. Here, step 1 is not required. It's automatically enabled. Case team. Step 1, not required. No enablement required. But here, it's very different. To resolve a case, you might get an arbitrator. Who is the arbitrator? The tension is between India and Pakistan, but United States, Donald Trump always keeps on saying that I'm ready to be an arbitrator between India and Pakistan. I would be the mediator. I'll be the peacekeeper. I will be the whatever you call it, the mediator, messenger, peacekeeper, right? India says no. This is our internal matter. We don't want anyone outside. So that means whenever there's a case problem, you might require outsider help also. Not only insider, you might require outsider help also. Kareena Kapoor is fighting with you. What will you do? You have a customer called as Amitabh Bachchan. You have a good relationship. You just discuss this with Amitabh Bachchan. Hey Amitabh, how are you? Doing good. Hey, what about you? Not good, Amitabh. Hey, what happened? Hey, Kareena, she filed a lawsuit on us. What? Yeah. Okay, what happened? He will hear everything. So Amitabh Bachchan will say, okay, do you want me to help you guys? Who is he? My employee? No. My legal advisor? No. But I know that he's an influential person. We know that in Bollywood, he has a strong hold. He's an influencer, right? Do you want me to give a try and talk to her? So I'll say definitely, Amitabh, that'll be really great. So, okay, don't worry. I'll talk to her. Now, even though he has nothing to do with this case, he's just a customer. While during a selling process, I involved him to my case. He calls Kareena Kapoor and say, hey Kareena, how are you? Hi sir, how are you? Kya ho raha hai? Kareena, it looks like that you filed a case on Capital Info, right? They are good guys. They are trying their level best. Sometimes it happens. Chhod do, Kareena, what you guys are? Why are you guys? So finally she agrees because who said Amitabh Bachchan has now been counseling her? She said, okay, sir, if you tell, I will leave this. Then she comes back to Capital Info saying that, hey, Capital Info, okay, fine, I'm withdrawing my case, but please make sure that it never happens next time. We will say, sorry, ma'am. Capital Info, sorry, ma'am. I know we will make sure that it doesn't happen next time. So that the case got resolved. It would have been gone in a legal battle, but an arbitrator, an external customer, an external, we always call them as a keyword in the real time is called arbitrator. Arbitrator is a third party interference in a case. Every case, right? In every issue, whether it's a corporate issue, whether it's any type of organization, business to business fighting or business to business problem, we always resolve it using an arbitrator. An arbitrator is a neutral external person who tries to understand and acts as a mediator between the two. Does Salesforce support arbitrator? Yes. Salesforce do support arbitrator. Right? Where? Let's see that. Right. I will create a case team role. Here, step 1 is not there, but step 2 is there. You can create a role. Special role. I will say external external external, right? I will say influencer. I'm creating a role called case access read write. Are you going to give a read write access to this customer? No, I'm not. Visible in partner portal. You can expose your Salesforce to customer using partner portal. By the way, what is a partner portal? Partner portal is nothing but your partners, not customers, your partners, right? I do a business, right? My AC repairing, all my institute AC repairing is done with we have a partner, right? My partner, or I give a course, act as my partner. They provide the internet to the customer. We provide the course, they provide the internet. So a partner can be anyone. It can be a customer, it can be an partner, an external arbitrator can be anyone. If it's a partner, you can grant him access. If it's a customer, can I grant access? Yes. Salesforce does allow, right? Contact or a contact can go ahead and make changes to the records using partner portal. Using partner portal, customer portal we call them. There will separate link when we will give a password for them. They will generate a password. When they log in, they can see their case, they can see their opportunity. We can do that. Currently, I'm not checking all these things. If you want to check, you can check. Save. I create a role. What is a role? External influencer. One more. I'll create. Legal. Legal lawyer. Right? I will say read right. I created two roles. Roles are done. Third step. First step is not there. Second step is here. Third step is also here. You need not to go to the user. You can create a team name. I will say, right? I will say high profile, high profile, profile case resolvers, resolvers. High profile case resolvers. I'm creating a team. Who? So that I'm taking a contact. Who is the contact? Not user. Amitabh Bachchan. What is member role? External influencer. Next, a combination of users and external customer. Virat Kohli. He will be legal lawyer. See that my account team roles are not visible here. There we created legal expert, right? Legal counselor, right? Technical expert. These are not seen here. That means account and opportunity have same team role, whereas case has separate team role. Case has separate team role. Right? So I will say that lawyer. I click on save. Over. There are two people, and that two people, we mix them and we call them as high profile case resolver. High profile case resolver. Now let's go to the end user. Let's go to our service cloud. Service cloud. I'm going to service cloud. I'm going to case. I open an existing case. Not happy. Something I'm opening. Who is this? Oh man, Amitabh Bachchan only. Sorry. Then I'll take one more case. I will say not happy. Who? Contact person. Kareena Kapoor is raising, for example. Save. Now I scroll down. Right? I go to the related. Scroll down, it's not there. Do you see case team? My case team is not visible. Whenever the case team is not visible, then we have to do that optional step. Remember, you have to go to your objects and fields, object manager, look for case, right? Click on case page layout. Click on case layout. Scroll down to the related list. Drag and drop case team. See, account team was available. Opportunity was available. Case team is not available. So I'm doing it. Click on save. The optional step, which I told you, perform. Done. Now I come to the case. Refresh. Now I come to the case. Done. I go to the related. I see case team. That add team member. Add member, add team. Whenever you say add team, system will search the one which we created. See, you can have multiple low profile resolver, right? High court team, Supreme Court team, right? You can create like this. See, high profile, high case resolver. I click on save. Automatically, right? High profile case resolver got added. Inside this, I have a customer, right? Inside this, I have a customer. Can I see inside this? No, I cannot. Can I see who is inside this? No, I cannot. I cannot. See, I have a delete option. Can I expand this? No. Right? Problem. This is one of the challenge. You don't know who is inside this. Can I add members one by one? Yes. Can I add members one by one? Yes. Related. I say add members. See? Add one. You can add contact or this. Case is the only place where you can add an arbitrator, an external person, customer, whatever you call an external to company can be added, called as arbitrator. Here, the arbitrator has to be added as a contact. Has to be added as a contact. Arbitrator. Arbitrator. Right? So this has to be added. Arbitrator. Clear, guys? Clear? You can add now
Yes.
anyone. You can add individually. See, these are the people from our side. These are the people from our side. These are the people from our side. Who are the people now? These are the people from the company side. Now let's go ahead and see from the customer side. Who are the people from the customer side? All the customer sides are called as, right, roles. There I was typing team, now I'll type roles. Roles. There are again three. Contact roles on contract, contact role on opportunity, contact role on case. In the case, I have a team, customer should also have a team. In opportunity, I had a team, they can also have a team. Can I maintain my customer's team here? Answer is yes, you can. Can I maintain customer's team here? Yes, the answer is yes, you can. Yes, I can. Right? How to create? Let's see. First one, contact on contact. Right? Do I need to activate anything? No. You can go ahead and you can start. Step one, create contact role. Step one, no activation required. Create contact role. Click on new. We have done this. I will say husband, friend, wife, right? So relatives, influence, right? Influencer. I'll say save. Already influencer is there if I'm not wrong. Duplicate not allowed, right? Influencer is already there, I know. So I click on save. It gets saved. Already there is influencer there. I've added what? Husband, right? Friend, wife, relative. This is what I added. This is what I added. That's it. Done. Done. Now, how to use it? Right? How to use it? Contact roles. You can use it in account. If you go to account, you open, right? You can open. See, you have related contact, right? I will say add relationship. What? What is a search the contact? I'm adding Ramcharan as what? Right? I'm not able to see my role here. See what I'm able to see. Business user, business, decision, influencer, technical buyer. Where is my role? Right? I'm able to see business user, decision maker, influencer, but I'm not able to see husband, wife. Anyhow, I don't need that. Right? In whenever it's contact to contact, I will use this. Whenever it's account to contact or contact to account, then I'll use this professionals. Right? You need to refresh this. You need to refresh this. Contact. Right? Contact. Can I link a contact to a contact? Can I link a contact to a contact? Can I link contact to a contact? Can you see here? View hierarchy. See, Ramcharan, Tollywood. I don't have anything. Can I link contact to a contact? We'll see. Yes, you can. First, let us see account. I go to the account. I refresh it once again, the end user screen. Right? I click on ICICI Bank. I click on, right, new add relationship. See our, still it's not coming. Okay, it will take time. We see what? Business decision maker, economic buyer, evaluator. These are all here, no? Evaluator, executive sponsor, right? Now we created where? Remember that we created on contract. We created where? We created on contract, right? We created where? We created on contract, not on contact. This is contract. This role will be visible when we go ahead and create a contract, not contact. Closing it. Click on App Manager. It's different. Sales. Contract, right? So, do I see cases? Okay. Contract here? No. So, app, view all. I look for contract. Here it is. Whenever you're creating a contract, right, like this, Ministry of, I'll create new, one more. What is that? Which account you want to do? I want to go ahead and create it on Bollywood. Who signed behalf of Bollywood? Ramcharan, right? What, right? Ramcharan. I'll fill all the information. Contract start date today, 11 months. I click on save. A contract got created. A contract got created. When I go to the contract, I don't see in the related people how many people participating in contract. If that is the case, then as usual, the same step. What is that? Optional step. Objects and leave, objects and fields, object manager. I have to go to the contract. I have to go to the contract. I have to go to the page layout. Contract page layout. I have to go to the related list, right? Contact roles. See, I place it here. I click on save. Yes. If it's not visible, this is the optional step. Now I come to my case, I come to my contract, I refresh it. Right, I refresh it. I refresh it. You can see that contract roles comes in. I click on add contract role. Who? I will say as what? Our roles are visible here as a friend, husband, wife, friend. Is it he's the primary person to talk? No, safe. Right? Add contact role. I'll add one more person. There are 3 people who is influencing this deal. Right? So K-A-R-E, Karina. As what? As a relative. See, in this contract, she's a relative, as a friend, as a relative. Where? In the contract process, contract life cycle. There you can add people, you can add teams. You can add people, you can add teams. Right? You can add people, you can add teams. Right? So, contact role on contract. Contact role on contract. Contract. Done. We'll come to the account one, don't worry. Right? So, roles. Roles. Second one, let's see. Right? Second one, contact roles on right, contact role on what? Opportunity. It is here, it's different. Right? In the opportunity, I can create same thing again. Right? I can create husband, spouse, rather than getting husband, wife, spouse, well-wisher. I'm adding 2 more roles. Well-wishers. Safe. Where? In the opportunity. Spouse and well-wisher. Let's go ahead and see. Let's open the opportunity. Refresh the screen. Refresh the screen. Open the opportunity. Test. Right. Who is from customer side? Let's go to the details. Who is from the customer side? Right. See, contact role. Right. Who is on the customer side? No one. Let's open one more opportunity. Let's see. Bollywood, Saif Ali Khan. Bollywood, Saif Ali Khan primary. Kareena Kapoor influencer. No, I will say it. Kareena Kapoor is not an influencer. She is a spouse. See, the one which we added. Safe. Spouse. Spouse. See, spouse. Spouse. Right? Can I add more? Yes. Right? So in this deal, add contact. Who? Katrina Kaif. As what? Next. Right? Primary Saif Ali Khan. What is her role? I will say, right, well-wisher. I will say safe. See, 3 people are from customer side. How many from our side? Account team. How many from our side? Because I didn't check that one, account team, because there was no account team available for it. That's the reason system is not showing it. I can also have from my side. I can go to Bollywood, I can add an account team. As soon as I add an account team in Bollywood, immediately I will have here, right, add. By the way, let's see whether it's a private or not. Whenever it's a private, you will not have this option. See, private, you cannot. Now I uncheck the private. I uncheck the private and I save. You see that I can immediately add an account team, or I can immediately add an opportunity team. So that opportunity team got added automatically from my side. For private accounts, for private opportunities, you cannot add. For private, you cannot add. For private, you cannot add. For private, you cannot add. Right? For private, you can add a contact role, but you cannot add from the company. See, I was adding contact role even it was in private. In private, you can add from customer side, but not from employee side. Because you said private, this opportunity only me, I should only handle. How can you add others then? Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Clear? That's good. Same thing on contact role on case. Contact role on case. Contact role on case. Right? So here also I can add. Right? customer, customer lawyer. I can add customer legal counselor. Add cust. Done. No need to activate. Come here. Go to the service cloud. Right. Open the case. Open the case, same case. Not happy. Kareena Kapoor. Related. Right. Case team. Do you see contact role? No. If you don't see contact role, then same step, the optional one. Right. Objects in field. Object manager. Go for cases. Scroll down. Look for case page layout. Case layout. Scroll down. Look for related. Drag contact roles in the green area. Here it is. I dragged it. Save. Yes. Saving is done. Next time when I come to the case, see, I can go to the related contact roles. I can click on add. Right? Who is the one? I will say KAR. Right? Karishma is not there. Right? Says Katrina Kaif. As what? As customer lawyer, as a customer counselor to this case. This case is from Karina. On the case, we have Katrina Kaif as a legal counselor. You can start adding. From my side, we have arbitrator also. See, customer side, our side. Customer side, our side. Customer side, our side. Right? That's good.
Yes.
Everyone understood how to create a customer side from the customer side adding, from organization side team role, customer side contact role. Tomorrow, right, we will start customization. Tomorrow, we will start your customization. Right? We will start the customization. Non-programming development. We will start developing our own solution. As soon as I click on App Manager, I should be able to see here called Apollo Hospital. Like this rectangular box. I should be able to see Apollo Hospital. When you click on Apollo Hospital, I should be able to see patient, right? I should be able to see payment. I should be able to see, right, doctors, operations, diagnostics. The way when you click on sales, you see accounts, contacts, opportunity, leads, like this. Contact role, Vishwajit, is not from employee side. contact roles are from customer side. Contacts are your customer. Team are your internal. So how can you add? Right? Correct? Right. Next, I have a problem. What is that? I have a problem when I convert a lead to an account, invalid cross-reference ID. When? When do you get that? Okay. When I do test with admin, all passed. Maybe that particular user doesn't have an access because I told you in the current environment, your license is restricted. So you might have had Rahul and the Rahul you're doing a conversion, he might not have. Or right in the profile, manage lead, you might have unchecked it. There could be a lot of things. Check it out. If you give him the same profile, then he's yes, he should be. Okay. Anything else, guys? Any questions on today's class? Right? Everybody's able to understand what's happening here? Yes.
Yes.
That's good. So I give you 20 minutes back, right? Tomorrow we will start with customization. New day, new topic, and those will be your recurring real-time works. Every project that you get, whether it's a development project, you have to create those tables, create those apps. You are required. If you don't create, the developers cannot work. So first, you as an admin has to do a lot of things. Then only developers will be able to work. We will see this tomorrow then. Okay. So till then, thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day. Bye-bye, guys.